Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the Google Cloud Console to create or pick a project and enable the Gmail API. Next, configure the OAuth consent screen so users know what data you request. Choose external or internal as appropriate and add required scopes like email and Gmail. Read only. Once done, create OAuth 2. 0 credentials and choose web application or desktop app depending on your client. Make sure to add authorized redirect URIs now so the token flow won't fail during testing. You now construct the authorization URL including client ID, redirect URI, response type equals code, and the scope list. Encode parameters correctly. Open that URL in a browser, sign into the account you want to access, and approve the consent screen. This ensures the user explicitly grants permission. Once approved, Google redirects to your redirect URI with a code parameter. Capture that authorization code from the callback endpoint or local server. This short-lived code is what you'll exchange in the next step for tokens. You exchange the authorization code at Google's token endpoint via HTTPS post including client ID, client secret, redirect URI, grant type equals authorization code, and the code. The response returns an access token and often a refresh token. Store them securely, encrypt or use a secrets manager, because refresh token lets you obtain new access tokens without user interaction. Then call a Gmail API method with authorization, bearer access token to verify. If you hit errors, check redirect URI exact match and that scopes and client credentials are correct as a primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.